The end of 2025 and the beginning of 2026 were marked by increased seismic activity. Over just 3 weeks, there were 95 seismic events with magnitudes of 5 and above, 9 of which were extremely strong, with magnitudes of 6 and above. Here are just a few of them. On January 6, 2026, at around 10:18 in the morning local time, an earthquake with a magnitude of 6.2 occurred in the eastern part of Shimane Prefecture, Japan, with a focal depth of approximately 6 miles. The maximum seismic intensity of 5+ was recorded in the cities of Matsue and Yasugi, Shimane Prefecture, and in Sakai Minato, as well as the towns of Hino and Kofu, Tottori Prefecture, with shaking felt over a wide area from northern Kyushu to the Kinki region.
島根県安来市の民家の庭なんですが、石灯籠が倒れています。
User reports indicate falling objects and halted elevators, especially near the epicenter, while there was no threat of a tsunami. An earthquake with an intensity of 5+ or higher, whose epicenter is located in the eastern part of Shimane Prefecture, has been recorded for the first time since 1919, that is, since systematic observations began by the Japan Meteorological Agency.
Tranquila, silencio. Temblor. Temblor, temblor.
On January 9th, at 4:36 in the afternoon local time, Peru experienced an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.3 in the Ica region, with the epicenter 27 kilometers, approximately 17 miles, south of Palpa. The focal depth was 30 miles. The tremors were mostly felt in the southern districts of Lima, Chorrillos, Villa El Salvador, and Villa Maria del Triunfo, as well as in the Nazca province.
Puto
2 weeks earlier, the country experienced a stronger earthquake. On December 27, 2025, at 9:51 in the evening Eastern Time, an earthquake with a magnitude of 6.2 occurred. The epicenter was 22 miles east of Puerto Santa, and the seismic focus was at a depth of 41 miles. It resulted in 25 injuries, 12 of which required hospitalization, and caused material damage, including damage to the main hospital, schools, and residential buildings. Later that same day, at 11:05 in the evening local time, a strong earthquake with a magnitude of 7.0 struck off the northeast coast of Taiwan. The epicenter was located in the sea approximately 21 miles east of Ilan County, near the city of Tuching, with a focal depth of about 45 miles. The shaking was felt across nearly the entire island for a duration of 10 to 21 seconds. A national earthquake warning was issued 15.2 seconds after the quake began. The delay was attributed to the great focal depth and the offshore location of the epicenter. No reports of casualties or injuries were received. In some areas, there were gas and water leaks, cracks in pedestrian crossings, and localized structural damage. Goods fell off shelves in stores. Taiwan Railways temporarily suspended service on the Jiaoxi, Shuaoxian section. 6 high-speed rail trains were delayed, and the Taipei Metro operated at reduced speed for about 20 minutes.
Please use the intercom to request assistance.
Unfortunately, what Alatra scientists have been warning about for many years is unfolding before our eyes. The global community has not yet responded with sufficient responsibility and action to forecasts of the exponential increase in earthquakes worldwide. Apparently, this is because neither the scientific community nor the governments of countries currently have effective measures to counter such a planetary threat. Therefore, it is crucial that everyone becomes aware that even at this stage there are solutions that can be applied in the fight against the climate crisis. We encourage you to familiarize yourself with them and share this information with everyone around you.